Alright, YouTube, man, we're happening, what it is, what it do. Welcome back to a brand new episode of Money Mix TV. This is your boy, Sneakerhead Money Mix. Back at you, back like I never left, man. Hope everybody having a wonderful day like your boy is. Got a special pickup, man. Probably one of my favorite pickups besides the Retro 4 things this year, man. So, without further ado, man, we jumping straight to it today. Let's get it, man. Boom! You see the box, you see the bag. Y'all ain't familiar with that, but y'all from the A. This is Wish ATL bag. And these are some Jordan 1. So, man, like I said, gotta get my infamous thumbnail real quick for these guys. Oh, whoa, yeah, got them. But anyway, anywho, yes sir, your boy finally got his pair. Very ecstatic, very happy, excited, all that good stuff from your boy, man. So, you already see the box, man. Ain't no need for me to keep talking. Let's jump straight into it. She say money ain't gon' make it. That nigga ain't got no record deal, but I'm living straight. Gotta hop down street from Holyfield, tryna get the cake, tryna catch out on a couple meal. So, moving that Jordan box, did see a little bit of red. That did come from this right here, but that ain't what we here for. You see that paint? Oh, you see that paint? You already know what's happening with this one. All right, so last video, you know, I kind of like, man, you know what I mean? Man, forget all that, man, let go. So, thing we looking at today is, ooh, and yes, your boy did go ahead and lay one up. But I'm finna give y'all the one that ain't laid. Ooh. So, what we looking at today? What we looking at today is Nike Jordan 1 SB LA to Chicago Jordan 1 things, man. I said Jordan 1 things, man. You feel me? Do you feel me? Man, very excited, very happy about this pickup, man. I told y'all a few days ago, I didn't get them, didn't get lucky. Whoop-de-whoop. Ran to a dude from Wish, blase, scooped them thing. They here now, man. Now we gonna get into them. So, first thing you notice is all these doggone laces that are attached to the shoe. 4 laces come with them. Not 1, not 2, not 3. 4 laces come with these things, man. So what we got is standard white pair, OG red pair, then you got that granddaddy purple pair, you did, and your standard black that come inside of the shoe. Now, take a look at the other shoe. So this one is laced up, still dead stock. Just had to see how they fit though, man. So that's why I laced up one. I wanted to see. But we got an all white tongue on these guys. SB Nike on that tongue right here, that tongue tag. Got that mustard collar, you did. Also hints of that mustard right there. All that does wipe away. Y'all seen pictures, y'all already know what's happening with these things, so it ain't no need for me. Stitching goes slightly above the check. Other than that, let's see. Standard cow ass leather. Then jump into the inside. Yeah, it's just straight standard leather. We got that purple drip upper. Like I said, hints of that mustard on that check and the collar on these guys, man. Outsole is black on these things, you did. And you can already see the hints of that red all throughout that thing. They got that Chicago pair up under it, which is dope, man. I just seen so many people do so many dope creations with this shoe, man. This is what the sneaker game is about, man. Stuff like this, man. Now, I do not like how Nike did this, man. Could have been, you know, I mean, bro, it like trying to throw goddamn a dart in the dark. A dart in the dark. That what it like, and trying to hit a bullseye, trying to win on a Nike sneaker, no cap, like for real. But here nor there, man, I got my pair, so I'm happy. Insole is all white Nike SB is in black on them guys. You did. And these do have that airsole unit in the heel, which I'll let you guys look at right now. A thicker insole overall in this SB Jordan 1. But if you ever, you know, put them on, you probably feel it right here. They do feel slightly heavier with this insole, not too much, but when I was wearing another pair and I put these on, I could kind of tell the difference. Other than that, man, there ain't nothing wrong with them, man. I love these things. So one thing I didn't notice till right now, inside collar has nothing on mine. Take out that shoe tree. Ooh, that clean Jordan 1 smell. Like I've been saying, man, let me get that Jordan air freshener, man. Put it in the whip, man. You smell it. But production dates. I'ma try to show y'all this way, but I'm gonna read it to y'all as well though. But I'm gonna try to focus. Hopefully the camera picks it up. But if it don't, man, I'm gonna read it to you, man. Take my word for it, man. I ain't on the lie. So we got 10/31/18 to 1/23/19. Of course, the whole style SKU is CD 6578-507, which is the colorway on these guys. My pair was made in China. You did. Other than that, man, that's that whole inside of these things, man. So leave y'all thought, comment, opinion below. Did you go after these? Did you catch the L like I did at first? Did you catch a W, man? Think about getting them on StockX Go. Let your boy know something, man. I'm very happy on this pair, man. I love these. On feet is definitely on the way from your boy, man. And also comparison video. I'll probably do a comparison between these and the NYC the Paris pair. I'm gonna give y'all a quick look at those because I didn't post a video of me taking off the paint off of them. I really think I deleted that junk on accident. I'm gonna look again though. But I ain't do too much with mine. As you see, just took out that toe collar. I mean, off that collar, and also off that check and right shell. Threw them purple guys in these. But one thing that I noticed off the top, man, you see how wrinkled these things is? It look like a wave in the sea. Yeah, these things most soft, man. You see that tongue? Why these things soft? Look at the leather. You feel me? That leather is soft right there, man. It's just something about that leather. I don't know. So I don't know what's it did. Why this one is so stiff and that one's not. Same thing though. Insole. One had took these out, but insole. Both of your SB insole, all that good stuff. But like I said, this ain't the comparison video. Just wanted to give y'all a quick look and my thoughts on both real quick from your boy. But yeah, overall, this shoe is more comfortable. I only wore it once too. I only wore this shoe once for a few hours. Like you said, I only wore it once. You feel me? But I like both of them. I did both of them. I definitely like some of the creations I seen on these. Probably the dopest one I seen on this is recently some dude did like the if I find it, man, I'm gonna put a picture up somewhere right in here. But he did like the palm trees down here. It kind of was dope, man. I like how he did that one. And he had like Nike logo, SB on the inside. Seen a bunch of dope ones, man. Leave y'all thoughts, comments, opinions below, man. Did y'all get them? Did y'all do something dope with y'all pair? Y'all keeping them on ice? Y'all gonna naturally wear them? Let your boy know something, man. I'm definitely appreciative, very happy, man. If y'all been watching this video to this point, man, please drop a like, man. If you have not subscribed to the channel, man, go ahead and drop. Go ahead, man. It's free, man. Just subscribe for your boy, man. I appreciate it, man. I'm just trying to get these subs up, man. Keep doing what I love, man. Something I'm very passionate about. Anybody that watch my videos should be able to tell that, man. He's just a genuine guy that like to do what he like to do, man. You feel me? I'm staying all the way out the way too, man, with these folks, man. You know what I'm saying? Don't bring none of that drama. Fuck shit my way. I ain't with it, bro, cause you already know what happened. But other than that, man, like, excuse me. Sorry about that. But anyway, anywho, man. I'm sorry, before I get up out this thing, man, I know y'all probably been seeing these over here. So your boy has started to do customization, restoration, all that good stuff. Like I told y'all, Money Mint Restoration TV was on the Wednesday. And your boy done started this right here. I call this the Royal Bread Love. You feel me? Join Nike, somebody gonna take that. I ain't never seen nobody do this one right here. If y'all have, salute y'all, man. When I tell y'all, I sit on 2K for hours throughout different days, creating different Jordan colorways. Man, I've been doing this since like 2015. Right, every year I do different colorway. I got some dope 11 colorways, man, that Jordan should go ahead and do. I think this is iconic, man. I think this is dope, this colorway. Other shoe is opposite, so did the yellow toe, switched them up, made them different, man. I don't want to get too much in depth with that, but I know if y'all been seeing them sit right there, just wanted to let y'all know that wasn't no foo-foo. That was some shoe that I created. All these paints are right in front of me as we speak. You did. So, you know, just want to let y'all know that as well, what your boy been working on. Before I leave out, man, I appreciate all our journalists. I appreciate everybody that watched these videos, man. Y'all the real MVP, man. I'm just one in front of the camera, man. Y'all the one that taking time out y'all day watch me, man. Definitely appreciate that, man. Big thank you. Very appreciative on that, man. Now that your boy got that out of the way, man. Y'all enjoy the content, man. Y'all know what to do. Also, man, like your boy, Sneakerhead, Money Mint. Who that be? Oh yeah, that me. Like I always tell you, man, make sure you like what you rock. Rock what you like. Cha-ching. Gang gang. I'm out.
She say money ain't gon' make it. That nigga ain't got no record deal, but I'm living straight. Gotta hop down street from Holyfield, tryna get the cake. Tryna cash out on a couple mil, poker face on, just to show the hater I'm for real. You can't stop my grind, cause a nigga like me, I'ma shine. I'ma always be by my you haters, y'all just wasting time. I swear to God, man.